How to easily book a confirmed Tatkal ticket on IRCTC. Booking a confirmed Tatkal ticket on the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation (IRCTC) website can be challenging, especially during peak seasons. However, with the right approach and preparation, you can increase your chances of securing a confirmed Tatkal ticket. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you easily book a Tatkal ticket on IRCTC. 1. Create an IRCTC account. Before attempting to book a Tatkal ticket, ensure you have a registered IRCTC account. This will save you time when the booking window opens. Make sure your account is updated with essential details like mobile number, email ID, and identity proof. 2. Keep your information ready. Prepare all the necessary details in advance. Passenger names, age, and gender of each passenger, preferred train, and class of travel, ID proof details, Aadhar, passport, PAN, etc. Payment method, credit, debit card, UPI, net banking, etc. 3. Check Tatkal timings. Tatkal booking opens at specific times. AC classes opens at 1000 am one day before the journey. Non-AC classes opens at 1100 am one day before the journey. Be sure to log in at least 15 minutes before the Tatkal window opens to avoid delays. 4. Pre-plan your journey. To expedite the booking process, use the IRCTC's Plan My Journey feature. Select your train, date, and travel class in advance. Save your favorite routes if you frequently book the same ones, so you can quickly access them when booking. 5. Install IRCTC's autofill extension. To save time during the booking process, consider using browser autofill extensions like Tatkal for Show or Magic Autofill. These extensions can pre-fill your travel details on the IRCTC site and help you complete the booking faster. 6. Log in before time. Log in to the IRCTC website at least 10-15 minutes before the booking window opens. This ensures that you avoid any last-minute login issues and can directly head to the booking page when the Tatkal window opens. 7. Select the train and class. Once the Tatkal booking window opens, quickly search for your train and class. If your preferred train is not available, choose from alternative options, check availability, and proceed to booking as fast as possible. 8. Fill in passenger details quickly. After selecting the train, fill in the passenger details. Use the autofill feature, or keep the details handy to avoid errors. Ensure that the ID proof provided matches the one you carry during your journey. 9. Choose payment method wisely. During the payment step, choosing a faster payment method can make a difference. Here are some quick payment methods. UPI payments, like Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. Pre-saved card details for faster processing. Wallet options, Paytm, MobiKwik. Avoid using net banking if possible, as it may take longer to process. 10. Confirm and pay. Once you have filled in the details, quickly proceed to the payment page. Double-check the details before making the payment to avoid any mistakes. After the payment is successful, your Tatkal ticket will be confirmed if availability is still there. 11. Use IRCTC mobile app. Optional. The IRCTC mobile app can sometimes be quicker than the website, especially if you are on the go. Download and set up the app in advance, and practice using it to ensure you are comfortable with the interface. 12. Know the refund policy. In case your Tatkal ticket doesn't get confirmed, waitlisted Tatkal tickets are automatically cancelled, and the refund is processed. Partial cancellation is also allowed if you book multiple tickets, and only some get confirmed. Tips to improve your chances of booking a Tatkal ticket. Have a stable and high-speed internet connection. Keep refreshing the page before 1000 am or 1100 am. Consider booking on less crowded trains or routes if your schedule is flexible. By following these steps and staying prepared, you can increase your chances of booking a confirmed Tatkal ticket on IRCTC efficiently. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.